Good morning. As all of you are taking online classes, and I have already explained you how to do online with Zoom app. Now teacher is asking me for creating some online test. Today I am going to tell you about how you can create the test with less efforts using Google Classroom. Google Classroom is an app by Google for communication between teachers and students. You can provide assignments, classwork, quiz, and etc. things. So, how to do this? First, you have to log into Google. You can log in through Gmail also. Now, you just simply write Google Classroom in your search box. See, you are getting a Google Classroom. Click this. For the student, the app is also there. The teacher's app is also there. No, you can install it in your mobile. You have to log in with your email ID. Here I am logging with my email ID. So we logged into Google Classroom. It's a very good tool to be used by teachers and students. I am just going to show you how to create an quiz by using Google Classroom. So see, you are getting Google Classroom. The screen will be like this. Here you are getting an icon where you can create your own class. You have to just click on create class and you will be having class name, section, subject, room, and you can create here. Okay, suppose I have already created a class of 6C and 12th A Python. Now click on any of the links here. Okay, go to classwork. Go to classwork. Now I have already created a quiz, so I am just demonstrating you how to create a quiz. So first you have to create a quiz assignment. Click quiz assignment. So you have to give the title. Suppose I am giving the title whole numbers. Okay, this is the title. So you just write create with Google Forms. Click Google Form. So you will be getting a blank quiz like this. You can change the name of the quiz document, that is whole number quiz. This is the name of the form. You can write uh, class test. Okay. If any instruction is there, you can write here the instructions. Then from here you can create the add the question. Suppose I am writing the first question. Successor of 99 is. So you can write the options here. 98, 99, 100, 101. So this is the option. If it is a short answer type question, you can write, you can select from here short answer type, paragraph, multiple choice, or which type of you want, you can do it from here. You can insert picture also, where you have inserted the question, where we have typed the question, you can insert the picture also. Okay. Then you have to assign the answer. So answer key, click on answer key, click on the answer, correct answer, and give the points. Suppose this is a 2 marks question. Yeah, I will give you 2 marks. Done. Okay. So this is how you can create a questions. If you want to add more questions, click here, add another question you can write here. Okay. Like this you can write. If you want short answer type, you can mention it short answer type. In answer you can write what will be the answer here. 35, and mark other also as incorrect, and you can give the point here. Then like this you can create the quiz. Then next task is to share. So sharing the question, you can just click on send. Here you will get a link, copy this link, and send to the students. You can send through WhatsApp also. If this is a big one, you can shorter the URL and it can be copied, and just you can send through WhatsApp or any medium. You can mail also, right? If you want the mail ID to be collected from the students, you just check this collect email addresses. So automatically all the email address of your students will come to your account, right? I have already done with uh, whole numbers. See this. Uh, After submission of the data from the students, or after submission of the quiz, it's very easy to analysis. Analyze how many of the students have done it, how many of what is the response. Okay, you will get this. Submit. So this is the quiz which I have already made for the students of class 6 on mathematics, and I have given some of the questions like this. short answer type also all the questions. Now after submission you will get a responses from the students. See these responses. You can see here responses. How many students have responses? 40 students have responses, the things of class 6. And inside you can see what is the average of students, what see the marks they in which they are getting the problem, the questions in which they are facing the difficulties. It can be, and this is the student wise you can get the response who is able, which question is right, maximum questions, and everything you can analysis from here. You, if you want anything individual, you can get from here. Shravani, where the problem, the student is getting the problem, this can be checked easily, and this will be beneficial for the use of the students. Thank you and have a nice day.